May 22nd, 2026. Memorial Weekend Friday. We're in the outside lounge, Queens, New York. The temperature's cool and nice, but everybody's dressed accordingly. TC, the host, the most awarded host in New York City, is here. The residence host, the outside lounge. Outside, O-S-L. We are here every other Friday, starting Memorial Weekend Friday, 2026. 10th year anniversary. Tonight, Ricky Genius, have you seen us? One of the hardest working DJs in New York City. Versatility, one of the biggest promoters in New York City. Trouble, Sir Trouble Fire. We used to call him DJ Trouble. He has elevated Sir Trouble and adding the fire, because he's burning. DJ Trouble, Ricky Genius, Father TC. We welcome you internationally. The Outside Lounge, CEO Michael Williams, and the beautiful staff, working hard. Anything you want to eat, Jamaican style, you get it. 2026, 10th anniversary.
Boom, 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 boom. Touch down yours.
Young around.
Gone.
Host of the moon.
Gone. The richest source. The richest
Richest
source.
host of the moon. You like that? You like that?
You know, Trouble's in on a long talking. Where's it? Ready?
Outside lounge that I've heard about.
Big up the whole of St. Kitts.
That's right, SK girl in the house.
Big up the yard girl, like you know the yard girl.
Every time.
Easy can. Large. Easy Sandra.
Heaven to me.
Big up yourself, Peter.
Yeah, man, best festival in town.